What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to take a look at math operators. What is math operators? Basically adding, subtracting and multiplying, dividing and all those kind of things. In my previous video I have used double, but here I'm gonna show another thing that's called int. The difference between int and double is, double has decimal points, int doesn't have that. Like int comes as whole number no matter what. Okay, now let's go ahead and put some variables. Let's create some names: girls, boys, people. I create 3 variables and then I'm gonna equate girls equal 6 and then boys equal 3 and people equal girls plus boys. Okay, now we want to print out display the people on the screen. So to do that, system.out.println people, and then once we are done that, we are done. Now when I go and run this program, you can see we get 9. 6 plus 3, 9. Like that we can do minus. If we put minus, we supposed to get what? 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay, we are getting 3 right here. And to multiply, we use the asterisk sign, and that should give us 18. And then to divide, we use backslash. That should give us 2. And then the next thing is another thing called before I go to modulus, another thing called, okay, let's put 11 right here. Let's divide 11 by 3 and see what happens. Now you can see 11 divided by 3 is not 3 because 9 divided by 3 is 3. But here we have 2 left over, but still 3 is coming. 3 is the thing coming. We don't have the decimal point. That's what the difference between int and double. If I put double, you will see the decimal point as well. You can see 3.6665. okay, now you can see the difference. Also, if you use int, you can see this is not even rounded to the nearest thing, because if it's rounded to near thing, it should be 4, but in int we are getting 3. The reason is it doesn't matter what you get after decimal point, it just completely cut off all those things and just give the first number. That's it. That's how it works. It doesn't matter the after decimal point you get bigger than 5 or whatever, it doesn't round. Okay, and then what else? Now the next thing we are going to see is modulus. Modulus is basically find out in the remainder. Let's say you 11 divided by 3, we have 2 remainder, right? That's what the modulus for. Like 2 are left over, we get that one in the right here. But if I divide 12 divided by 3, there's no remainder, so it should give us 0. Now you can see we are getting 0. And that's all about math operators. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you guys on my next tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys later.